Hey guys, this is Daniel with Hardwood Floor Restore. Just wanted to let you guys know what we're doing on this project today. We got a client that has an engineered floor, which has an aluminum oxide finish on it. It does have lots of indentations. It's got lots of scratches. It's got scuff marks. It's got, you name it, it's got it on the floor. So what we're doing is we're doing an abrade and recoat process today, which is what most companies will not do on an engineered hardwood floor. Hardwood Floor Restore, we actually do offer that service. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our vacuuming, with the cleaning, the extracting. We're going to abrade the floor, and then we're going to extract it again, and then we're going to start doing what's called a tinted poly. So what you can do is you can pick any color stain that you want that's darker than the existing stain that's on the floor, or you could keep the same color stain if you'd like. And then we can coat with clear poly. So we'll go ahead and let you guys see the process, and give us a thumbs up and like and subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you next time. Floor Restore again. We just wrapped up this job. We did do a process where we can make the wood grain pop. It's our own proprietary secret. We're not telling anyone how we do it. Like I told you in the first video, we did do a tinted poly. So we did change the color to one of our colors that we offer is called American Walnut. So you're going to see that in the after photos. All the little fine scratches were removed, the scuff marks, all the dirt and soil that was on the floor, because it hasn't been cleaned, refinished, or anything in about 20 years or so. So let the results speak for themselves. If you guys need anything, give us a call. 980-293-3948.